Have you even watched a TikTok video and think to yourself, I could do that? Well, you're not alone. TikTok has taken the world by storm, and making viral videos has become a new form of art. But how do you make a video that goes viral? Let's dive into the world of TikTok and learn how to create viral videos that will skyrocket your TikTok presence. First, let's talk about TikTok algorithm. Understanding how the platform works is essential to create content that resonates with your audience. The algorithm takes into account factors like watch time, engagement, and the relevance of your content. So, to make your videos go viral, focus on creating engaging, shareable content that keep viewers watching till the end. Now, let's discuss some tips for creating engaging content on TikTok. First, keep it short and sweet. TikTok video can be up to 16 seconds long, but shorter video tend to perform better. Aim for 15 to 13 seconds to keep your audience attention. Second, use trending sounds and hashtags. Stay up to date with the latest trends and incorporate them into your videos. This will increase your chance of being discovered by new viewers. Third, tell story. Create a narrative in your videos that keep viewers hooked and wanting more. This will encourage them to watch your other content and follow your account. A well-optimized profile is crucial for attracting new followers. Here are some tips to make your profile stand out. Choose a catchy username that reflects your niche or personal brand. Write a compelling bio that tells viewers who you are and what your content is about. Use a high-quality profile picture that represents your brand and looks professional. Finally, to grow your TikTok presence, it's essential to be consistent with your content. Post regularly and engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. This will help you build a loyal following and increase your chance of going viral. And that's it, folks. By understanding the TikTok algorithm, creating engaging content, optimizing your profile, and staying consistently, you will be well on your way to making viral video on TikTok. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks on content creation and motion graphic. See you on the next video.